Today we are going to learn about circle. Okay. Today we are going to learn about circle. Are you all completed last class homework? Many of you sent the answers. What about others? Complete it and send it to me. Okay. Let's start the class about circle. About circle. What do you know about circle? Circle is in the shape of what? It is a round shape, isn't it? Circle is a round shape. For example, circle is a round shape. It is a 2D shape. Yes, very good. It is a 2D shape. Okay, example ball. Okay, very good, Gautam. And then, yes, the round shaped clock. Okay, very good. What are the terms you are learned from circle? Terms. Terms, about terms. Anuja, can you tell me what are the terms you learned from circle? You learned from circle. You learned radius, diameter, isn't it? Radius and diameter, everything you learned from circle. Okay. Then define about circle. Definition for circle. Yes, very good, Devdashni. Okay. Definition for circle. A circle is a path. It is a path traced by a moving point. Traced by a moving point so that its distance from a fixed point. The distance from a fixed point is always constant. It's always constant. என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா சர்க்கிள் வரைகிறோம் இல்லையா அது என்ன பண்ணுவோம் நம்ம எப்படி சர்க்கிள் எதுல வரைவோம் யூசிங் திங்க் அபவுட் ஜியோமெட்ரி பாக்ஸ் சர்க்கிள் எதுல வரைவோம் ஜியோமெட்ரி பாக்ஸ்ல எதை யூஸ் பண்ணி வரைவோம் எஸ் வெரி குட் நான் ஒரு சிலருக்கு ஆஸ்க் டு அன்மியூட் கொடுத்துருக்கேன் ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவே இல்லை
Compass, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Using compass. Very good. We will draw the circle using compass. Before invention of compass, how they will draw this circle? Compass கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்படி வரைஞ்சிருப்பாங்க சர்க்கிள்ல பெரிய சைஸ் சர்க்கிள்ல எப்படி வரைஞ்சிருப்பாங்க how they will drawn they have drawn yes நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம் with a cap very bad okay Deva okay listen before days compass கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன பண்ணிருப்பாங்கன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் just what happened okay ma okay wait Gopika okay listen yes
We can join two semicircle and we can put a circle, ma'am.
okay yes very good just joining two semicircle Then how they drawn the semicircle also with a proper manner, with very big size circles, without any instrument, mathematical instrument or any round shaped instrument. How they drawn? Because அவங்க என்ன பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, அந்த இதெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி just simply they will fix a point. They will fix a point using thread and joining any writing instrument, பென்னோ இல்லைன்னா சாக் பீஸ் ஏதோ ஒன்று என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, த்ரெட்ல கட்டிட்டு அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, ஆணில ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல கட்டி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அதை எடுத்து ஃபுல்லா சர்க்கிள் டிரா பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. சரியா? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க லிசன் பண்ணி பாருங்க, எங்கேயாவது வயல்ல மாடுலாம் மேயும் இல்லையா, அப்ப பாருங்க என்ன பண்ணிருப்பாங்கன்னா ஒரு ஆணில அதை கட்டி வச்சிருப்பாங்க, கயிறு போட்டு கட்டி வச்சிருப்பாங்க. அப்ப என்ன பண்ண அந்த மாடு அந்த கயிறுல அதனால முடிஞ்ச தூரத்துக்கும் ஃபுல்லா போய் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு வரும். Is it possible in any other part? It is not possible. When you look at this carefully, it makes a circle. நீங்க அதை கேர்ஃபுல்லா லிசன் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா தெரியும், மாடு என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், ஒரு சர்க்கிள் ஷேப்பை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஏன்னா இப்படிதான் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சர்க்கிளை வந்து இன்வென்ட் பண்ணாங்க. எப்படி பண்ணாங்க? ஜஸ்ட் we want to fix a point and tie it with a thread. இன்னொரு சைடு என்ன பண்ணலாம், நீங்க ஏதோ ஒரு சாக் பீஸோ இல்ல ஏதாவது வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த த்ரெட்டை நல்லா இழுத்து டைட்டா பிடிச்சிட்டு அப்படியே சுத்தி வந்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு சர்க்கிள் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடும். வீட்டுல ட்ரை பண்ணி பாக்குறீங்களா? ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ஹேவ் what chalk piece in home, isn't it? இல்லாட்டி சாக் பீஸ் இருக்கும், இல்லாட்டி பெண்ணை கூட யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. நூல் போட்டு ஒரு ஆணில வந்து என்ன பண்றீங்க, சொருகிட்டு அப்படி ஃபுல்லா சுத்தி வரீங்க, சர்க்கிள் ஷேப் கரெக்டா ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதான்னு பாருங்க. Then think about the distance between the fixed point and this circular part. The distance between this fixed point and this circular path is always constant. It is always constant. This distance is called as radius. Radius is denoted as R. Radius is denoted as R. R-A-D-I-U-S. Radius. Okay. Then think about this whole length. Think about the whole length. The line which pass through the center point. This fixed point is called as center. This fixed point is called as center point. A line which passes through the center point is called as, what? It is diameter. It is called as diameter. Okay? Don't write these things. Just listen first. I will send the notes. Okay? Just listen carefully. Circle. The fixed point is called as center point. The distance between center and the circular part is always constant. It is called as radius. The line which pass through the center point is called as diameter. Think about the line AB. The line AB. What do you know about it? It is a line which meets two end points of the circle, isn't it? What do you know about it? We can draw a lot of line between circles, inside the circle. What do you know about these lines? These lines are called as chord. C-H-O-R-D. Please pronounce this correctly. It is called chord. Chord. C-H-O-R-D. Chord. Okay. If any 2 points on circle are joined by a line segment then it is called as chord. Okay. Then think about this diameter. Diameter also joined by a line segment with 2 end points, isn't it? It is also joined by a line segment with 2 end points. What do you know about it? This is also a chord. Diameter is also a chord, but this is the longest chord in the circle. Okay? Longest chord. Longest chord யாரு? Diameter தான். ஏன் அப்படி சொல்றோம்னா எல்லா லைனையும் மெஷர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா மெஷர்மெண்ட் வந்து டயமீட்டரை விட கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே? Longest chord is called as diameter. Then think about the part of the circle. Just a simple part of the circle. நம்ம லாஸ்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம்ல என்ன பண்ணோம்? ஒவ்வொரு லைன் டிரா பண்ணும்போதும் இந்த மாதிரி ஜியோமெட்ரியில டிரா பண்ணோம் இல்லையா? அதுக்கு என்ன பேர் சொன்னோம்? வாட்ஸ் இட்? Who is going to tell the answer for it? Devadarshini, can you? Gopika? Just raise your hand. If you know the answer means just raise your hand. I will make you to unmute. Okay. Please let me know about this name of this part. What is this?
Arc, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Super, ma'am. It is called as arc. Yes. The part of the circle, a small part or small region of the circle is called as arc. It is called as circular arc. Okay, is it clear? It is called as circular arc. Then part of the circle. This is part of the circle, but using two radius connect பண்ணி ஒரு பார்ட் நம்ம இப்ப பீஸா பாக்குறோம் இல்லையா? அதுல என்ன பண்றோம்? ஒரு பீஸ் கட் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி அந்த போர்ஷனுக்கு என்ன பேர்? The plane surface. This is called as plane surface that is enclosed between two radii. See, it is a circle in this plane surface that is enclosed with two radii, and the circular arc of the circle is called as what? No, it is not of. It is called as sector. S-E-C-T-O-R. Sector. This is called as sector. Okay. Number 1/4, 1/2 அப்படிலாம் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? அதெல்லாம் வந்து எதுக்கு சொல்லுவோம்? சர்க்கிளை கட் பண்ணி இருக்கும்போது. இப்ப எல்லாத்துக்கும் நேம் இருக்கு. நான் உங்களுக்கு அதுதான் டீச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஓகே. This is called as circular sector. And this small portion is called as this arc is called as circular arc. Sorry. Okay, I will make you to unmute. Please tell me the answer for some questions. Okay. Can you? Okay, try. By using which we will draw the circle in your geometry box. Using Yes, Tanvika. Yes, tell me the answer. Using
Compass, ma'am.
yes, very good. Using compass, we will draw the circle. Very good. Then tell me about the line segment which joining two end points of the circle. Which joining two end points of the circle. Yes, Devdarshini.
Chord.
Yes, very good. It is
Chord,
called as
ma'am.
chord, not chord. It is called chord. Chord. Okay. Yes. Which is called as longest chord. Who is going to tell the answer for it? Which is called as longest chord. Only 2 members. What about others? Yes, Tanvika. Which is called as longest chord?
Diameter.
Very good. Diameter. Then the relation between radius and diameter. Relationship between radius and diameter. Ganya, can you? The relationship between radius and diameter. Diameterக்கும் radiusக்கும் என்ன relationship இருக்கு பாருங்க இந்த. Think about it. Very simple. Okay, who is going to tell? Again, only 2 members. Okay, Devadarshini, yes, tell me that. What is the relationship between radius and diameter? Yes?
Sector.
No, I am asking about relationship with, I didn't teach this topic. Just I am simply asking radius and diameter. What do you know about it? Okay. Okay, Kanishka, are you? Are you willing to answer? Yes, Kanishka? Okay, fine. Listen carefully. The relationship between, you learn these things in your 5th standard itself. Okay, please remember, try to remember. The relationship between, yes, Jnaneshwar, no, it is not center. Listen, relationship between radius and diameter. Look at the line carefully. This half portion, comparing diameter, the half portion is called as radius, isn't it? So, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. See, we have 2 radius. Already I told the fixed distance between the center point and the end point of the circle is called radius. If it is radius means what about this part? Center point and the circle oda end point da idum join pannirukku, correct? Isn't it? So this is also called as radius. In diameter we have 2 radius. So diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay. Then think about radius value using the same formula. Radius is equal to dash diameter. What will be the answer? Radius is equal to dash diameter. Look at this carefully. நம்மளோட radius எப்படி இருக்கு? Diameterல half portion. See, look at this carefully. நம்மளோட diameter இது ஃபுல்லாவா? இந்த full line தான் நம்ம diameter னு சொல்றோம். இந்த half line தான் radius னு சொல்றோம். So radius is equal to half into diameter. Half into diameter. Okay? Is it clear? Any doubt in this topic? Using these formula, we are going to do some sums. Shall we? Okay, Nyaneshwaran, very good. Half. So listen. Yes, Devarashini, what do you have doubt? What's your doubt, ma?
No, ma'am, for telling the answer only I told like that, ma'am.
Okay, da, okay, da. Okay, listen. Very simple thing. Circle. It is a path traced by a moving point of the fixed point. Fixed point லந்து ஒரு path நம்ம create பண்ணும் with the same distance. It is called as radius. And second point, this fixed point is called as center. This fixed point is called as center. Third point, the distance between center and the end point of the path. The distance between the center and end point of the path is called as radius. It is called as radius. And then fourth point, any 2 points, if any 2 points on the circle are joined by a line segment, is called as chord. It is called as chord. And fifth point, the longest chord is called as diameter. And the relationship between diameter and radius is diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Radius is equal to half into diameter. Okay. And one more thing, it is about sector. Sector, which means a plane surface. See, we have plane surface. In plane surface, that is enclosed between two radii. The plural form of radius is radii. Okay. The plural form of radius is radii. R-A-D-I-I. The plural form of radius is radii. And the circular arc of the circle is called as sector. This portion is called as sector. The area which enclosed by a chord. இப்போ பாருங்க இதுவுமே கார்டு தான் நமக்கு ஏன்னா டூ எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ்ல நம்ம லைன் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா இந்த கார்ட் மூலமா நமக்கு ஒரு போர்ஷன் ஒரு செக்மெண்ட் உருவாகுதா we have some portion isn't it this part is called as segment circular segment this is called as segment சரியா இதுக்கு மேல என்ன பண்ணலாம் யாராவது உங்களை சர்க்கிள் பத்தி இது என்ன அது என்னன்னு கேட்டா என்ன பண்ணலாம் நீங்க அழகா இதுக்கு பேர் எனக்கு தெரியும் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் செக்மெண்ட் கார்ட் மூலமா நமக்கு ஒரு ஏரியா கவர் ஆகும் இல்லையா அந்த போர்ஷன் தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் செக்மெண்ட் each part of a circle which is divided by a chord each part of the circle which is divided by a chord is called as segment it is called as segment okay shall I ask questions from this please switch on your camera all of you please switch on your video yes Nyaneshwaran what do you have what do you want to do sorry okay listen Nyaneshwaran what's your doubt part
Ma'am, I'm now only joined, ma'am.
oh okay any doubt in this topic
Yes, ma'am.
what's your doubt
Diameter and radius, ma'am.
diameter and radius okay you know how to draw the circle using compass isn't it
Yes, ma'am.
this center point this is called a center point the distance between center point and end point of the circle circle oda end point irukku illaya boundary irukku illaya center kum இந்த boundary point kum உள்ள distance வந்து எப்பவுமே circle ல எல்லா இடத்துலயும் நீங்க செக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஈக்குவலா தான் இருக்கும் அப்படி ஈக்குவலா இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் circle னு சொல்வாங்க சரியா this distance between center and a fixed point center and the end point of the circle is called as radius this is called as radius. And then the line which pass through the center point. The line which pass through the center point is called as diameter. This is called as diameter. Chord என்னன்னா ஏதாவது 2 points ஜாயின் பண்ணாலே அது chordன்னு சொல்லுவோம். சர்க்கிளோட ஏதாவது 2 points ஜாயின் பண்ணாலே அது chord தான். பட் எந்த chord சென்டர் வழியா போகுதோ அதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், டயாமீட்டர்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஆல்சோ லாங்கஸ்ட் chord is called as diameter. இருக்கிறதுலே டயாமீட்டர் தான் வந்து ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கும், லாங்கஸ்ட் chord-ஆ இருக்கும். பாருங்க, நீங்க பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். We have lot of chord. Think about this chord. This is a very lengthiest chord, isn't it? மற்ற எல்லா chords-ஐயும் நீங்க கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது இது நமக்கு length அதிகமா இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுதா? So it is called as longest chord. Diameter is also called as longest chord. Okay? Jnaneshwaran, any doubt? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now we will start the next session. Sorry. We will do some sums using the formula, diameter and radius formula. Please remember, diameter is equal to 2 into radius, and radius is equal to, diameter is also denoted as small d, and the radius which is small r. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Radius is equal to half of the diameter, which is called as d by d. Half of the diameter. Then let me know if diameter is equal to 16. If diameter is equal to 16 centimeter, what about radius? What about radius? If diameter is equal to 16. Yes, Devadarshini?
32, ma'am.
No. Yes, very good, Kanishka, and yes, Jnaneshwaran, very good. Your answer is correct. You know very well. Radius means half of the diameter, half portion of the diameter. So 16 divided by 2. Then divide it into table 16. How many times? It is 8 times. Into table 16 is 8 times. So R is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, fine. If radius is equal to, see, 35 centimeter. Radius is equal to 35 centimeter. Then what about diameter? Diameter means what? Yes, Tanvika. What's the relationship between radius and diameter? Diameter is equal to, Mahalakshmi, can you?
Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Radius is equal
Yes,
to diameter
very good.
divided by 2. Radius.
Please switch off your mic. Who is that? Tanvika. Okay. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Then 2 into radius value is what? Look at the question. Which is equal to 35 centimeter. Isn't it? Which is equal to 35 centimeter. So 2 into 35. 2 35s are. No, Gracie, and it is not 15.1. I am asking 2 into radius. Yes, Jnaneshwar. Very good. It is 70. 70 centimeter. 35 2s are 10. Carry over the 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 70 centimeter. Answer is 70 centimeter. Any doubt in these sums? Very simple, no?